It's freezing outside, and you know what that means? Soup season. But not just any soup, we're making 3 of the coziest, most delicious, and easy soups that'll warm you from the inside out. And guess what? Even if you've never cooked before, I'll make this so easy that even a kid can do it. By the end of this video, you'll have 3 go-to soup recipes that are quick, budget-friendly, and packed with flavor. And stick around to the end. I'll show you my secret ingredient that makes any soup taste restaurant quality. First up, we have a classic and comforting creamy potato and cheddar soup, perfect for those chilly nights. Sauté the aromatics. In a large pot, melt butter over medium heat. Add onions and garlic, cook until soft and fragrant. Cook the potatoes. Add the cubed potatoes and broth. Bring to a boil, then simmer until the potatoes are fork tender, about 15 minutes. Blend it up. Use an immersion blender to puree the soup until smooth, or leave it chunky for texture. Make it creamy. Stir in milk and shredded cheese until melted and smooth. Season with salt and pepper. Serve and enjoy. Top with crispy bacon bits, green onions, and a dollop of sour cream. For an extra creamy texture, use half and half instead of milk and a mix of sharp and mild cheddar for depth of flavor. Next, we have a hearty chicken and rice soup, perfect for flu season. Sauté veggies. Heat olive oil in a large pot. Add onion, carrots, celery, and garlic. Sauté until softened. Add broth and chicken. Pour in chicken broth and add shredded chicken. Bring to a boil. Season and simmer. Stir in thyme, salt, and pepper. Let simmer for 15 to 20 minutes. Add cooked rice. Stir in rice and let it soak up the flavors. Finish with a bright touch. Add a squeeze of lemon juice to bring out all the flavors. If you don't have cooked chicken, just add raw chicken breast directly to the broth and simmer for 20 minutes. Then shred and return to the pot. Last but not least, we have a spicy black bean and tomato soup, which is vegan and protein-packed. Sauté onions and garlic. In a pot, heat olive oil. Add chopped onions and garlic, cook until golden. Add tomatoes and beans, stir in diced tomatoes and black beans. Season it up. Add cumin, smoked paprika, and chili powder. Stir well, simmer and blend. Pour in vegetable broth and simmer for 15 minutes. Blend for a creamy texture or leave chunky. Finish with lime juice. Stir in lime juice for a fresh burst of flavor. For an extra protein boost, add quinoa or lentils to this soup. Okay, remember I promised you a secret ingredient that makes any soup taste like it came from a restaurant. Here it is. A splash of apple cider vinegar or a tiny bit of soy sauce. Sounds weird, right? But trust me, it brings out the depth of flavors and makes your soup next level good. So there you have it. 3 cozy, delicious, and easy soups that'll keep you warm all winter long. Which one are you making first? Let me know in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more comforting recipes, because great food should always be easy and fun. What's your favorite winter soup? Share your recipe. So good.